welcome back to Dharani creation. Today we are going to see an awesome project by using an Arduino Nano, that is an alcohol detector. Let's see how to make it. For making this project, we need an Arduino Nano, a MQ-3 gas sensor, two LEDs, a pin connector, female headers, a 0 PCB and a buzzer. Connect the female headers to the Arduino Nano. Connect the components according to the video. Let's solder all components. I have connected all the components according to the diagram. Let's upload the code. For testing, I am using a body spray because it contains alcohol substance. Let's test it. The LEDs are not working, guys, but the buzzer is working. That's all for today, guys. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe to the